you doing? What's going on, Wheelside crew? You already see who it is. It's DaddyDLO in the builder. And I'm back with another video. You already know what it is. So guys, tonight, you got that right, tonight I decided I'm gonna light our real Christmas tree on fire.
What did he say?
Now, anybody who knows real Christmas trees, they know. One, you can't have the lights always burning all the time because it can spark a fire. So, the best thing about this is I am home alone. There ain't nobody here, just me. However, I ain't got a lot of time. So, I got some stuff for this prank, you dig? And I also gotta set up the cameras in some, mischievous, some sneaky ways too as well. You dig? So guys, let me show you guys what I got right here. So it's hard for you guys to see, but I'm gonna plant some cameras out here. See that? I make sure that you guys can see, all right? If it's far away, you can't see it from far away, but you got that right. I got that in there. So listen guys, as you guys can see, I got plants that I gotta be planting all over the place. You get it? Plants, and I'm gonna be planting. I thought it was funny. But guys, if you guys have already gotten this far through the video and you guys haven't hit that like button, y'all know what to do. Smash that like button. Guys, if you're not subscribed, guys, click that subscribe button. And if you don't have that post notification turned on, guys, it is literally a click away. Turn on that post notification so you guys don't miss a post when I be posting. But this is, can I get a drum roll please? I got one of these. You got it right. It's a smoke machine. Alright? Now the beautiful thing about this is that it has like a little crackling noise, like it literally sounds like an electric fire is actually popping off. So guys, you already know me already. The best time to do this prank is at night. When everybody is calm, everybody's in their rooms, in their PJs, getting ready for bed. There's no time like this right now. So guys, when everybody gets home, you already know what it's gonna be, and I am gonna be popping. Y'all stay with me. I'm gonna get everything set. I'm gonna get the camera and everything set up, all right? Let's do this. All right, y'all, one thing I forgot is, this thing is so wicked, it has a remote control. So, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna see if I can actually be like upstairs or somewhere else actually getting it set up. All right, guys, let's go.
Approximately 10 hours later.
All right, guys, it's on. It is time. So listen. I actually finished off with a client. I got the cameras and everything set downstairs. Nobody sees nothing. Nobody knows nothing. Let me go see where the boys should be inside the room playing their game. What are you doing?
I'm playing Rachel Room.
Huh?
I'm playing Rachel Room.
What are you playing?
I'm doing blocks.
What are you playing?
I'm playing cookie.
I'm gonna shoot them in the what?
Oh, dude, do you know what you're saying with scientists?
What did she say?
But if you hit the tongue, it's freedom. Hit your eye.
Okay.
5 minutes later.
You smell like what? Okay.
Alright guys, they downstairs right now, guys. It's about to be going. It's about to be popping. I ain't playing with nobody. Guys, let's do this. Remote control here. Like I said, guys, the best thing about it is it makes like a little crackling noise, and it literally sounds like something is catching on fire. So when they hear that, obviously they're going to want to look and see what's going on. So guys, let's get this shit popping. I'm gonna be able to show you guys at the top of the stairs because I ain't playing with nobody. Camera downstairs hiding, all right? And I got this one up here. So let's go. Where's the phone? Call 911. We need to call the ambulance. Call the police.
Where's my phone? D'Angelo!
Oh.
Where's your phone?
My phone. Oh shit.
D'Angelo! Come on, you guys go down to the toilet room. Come on.
Oh, I think it's out. I think you put the water on. I think it's. Holy
D'Angelo.
shit.
I think something's wrong. Like, it's a lot of smoke.
It's like a spark.
D'Angelo! D'Angelo!
Where are the kids? Mason!
They're downstairs.
Holy shit.
D'Angelo, it's still smoking.
Where's the fire extinguisher? Did you call the fire department?
We don't
Where's your
have a
phone?
fire extinguisher! D'Angelo, you should come and fucking unplug whatever's plugged in.
Where's your phone?
God, D'Angelo, I don't know where my phone is, but you need to, before something blows up, I think we should unplug it. Oh my God, like, what are you doing right now, D'Angelo?
I'm blowing on it.
What are you doing right now, D'Angelo?
It's a prank, it's a prank.
It's not a prank.
Yes,
What is
yes,
wrong
oh
with
my
D'Angelo?
God.
There's the freaking, something is happening.
It's a smoke machine. It's a smoke machine. Oh, you can't see it. It's the smoke. It's the smoke. Why would you throw water on it? Look. It's just. It's a smoke machine. It sounds like crackling like. It's not real. It's a prank. I turned on the camera. It's a prank. You rubbing your face?
I told
Did daddy stress you? Yeah? Oh.
Fire.
Mason, how you feel?
I feel so nervous right now. I can't even believe my Mommy.
Well, this is what you guys get. Fire? This is what you guys get. You guys
Daddy's going in
got.
timeout.
Daddy time out.
Who?
And you're never gonna come out of time.
You.
Say Daddy's bad.
Daddy, go away.
No, what?
Go away.
What?
Go away.
Say you're sleeping outside.
Sleepy outside.
Okay, guys. I hope you guys obviously like that one. Guys, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment on this one. Mason, tell them what to do, Mason. You tell them what to do, Papa.
No, first tell your father that he better sleep with one eye open because when we come for you
I'm sleeping
next,
I'm sleeping like this.
watch.
I'm sleeping like
You're
this.
making me think my house is freaking on fire.
I'm sleeping like that.
Can you sleep like?
Like that.
Can you sleep like?
Like a pirate? Yeah. Guys, make sure you do what, Mason? Tell them what to do, Mason.
Okay. Subscribe, like, and post the notification button. And peace and logo.
Okay.
Play your Lego and play the Lego.
Okay.
Subscribe.
All right, subscribe. Tato told you guys. Guys, you guys don't have to subscribe for me. Tato told you guys. Tell them again, Tato.
And going down and wait.
All right, you heard him. He said, guys, like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification so you don't miss a post when we post. Hit him out, Tato. We out.